So 11th and 12th question, they are both MCQs. So let's start with the 11th one. So they have told us A and B have the same order, right? So if they are having the same order and they are symmetric matrices also, right? So it has to be a square matrix of the same order, so we can do multiplication, right? So AB minus BA, what it will be, right? We have to find it out. Let's see how to do this question. So for this question, we have to check if it is skew symmetric and symmetric, right? Because it has some options like that. So for that, what we have to do means, for any symmetric or skew symmetric test, what we'll be doing first means we will be taking the transpose, right? We have to take the transpose. So this whole thing, what it is, we have to find out, right? So for that, we have to take the transpose of the whole thing. Now first of all, they have told A and B are symmetric, right? So A dash equal A, because this is the rule for symmetricity, and B dash should be equal to B, right? So these are the conditions given already in the question. Now we have to check what is AB minus BA the whole dash, right? So for that, we know when any sign in between is plus or minus, you can distribute this dash independently to each element, right? So AB whole dash minus BA whole dash, right? Now we have to use second property, AB whole dash is equal to B dash A dash, right? So now we can find it out. So AB whole dash will be equal to B dash A dash minus BA whole dash, just reverse it, right? BA will become A dash B dash. Now instead of B dash, we have to put it as B itself, because both are equal. Instead of A dash, put it as A, minus A dash will be A, B dash would be B. Now what we have to do, we can take the negative symbol out, so it will be AB minus BA. Now compare it with the real matrix, AB minus BA we are having here. After taking the transpose, we are getting the negative of the same thing, right? We are getting the negative of this, means it is actually skew symmetric, right? When you take the transpose, if you get the negative of the real matrix, it means it is a skew symmetric matrix. So the correct option is option A, skew symmetric. So now we are having the 12th question. So this is the A matrix, and they have given that A plus A dash is equal to I, the identity matrix, right? So first let's find out A dash. We have to find out the value of alpha, the angle, right? So let's first do this part, A plus A dash. For that, first let's find A dash, right? Take the transpose, cos alpha minus sine and cos, right? Now we have to add both these matrices together, right? So cos plus cos, it will be 2 cos alpha. Sine minus sine would be 0, sine minus sine would be 0, and cos plus cos would be 2 cos, right? Actually they have given it as A plus A dash, it's equal to I. This is A plus A dash, and this has to be equal to the identity matrix, right? 2 by 2 order, of course, because this is also a 2 by 2 order matrix. So now just compare the elements, 0 equals 0, 0 equals 0. So rest 2 we are having 2 cos alpha equal 1, right? So let's equate 2 cos alpha equal 1, cos alpha equal half, right? So alpha is equal to cos inverse half. So check at which angle cos of alpha would be half, right? So the answer would be angle 60 degree, right? So cos is half at 60 degree, right? So what is 60 degree in terms of radians, right? It would be pi by 3. So the correct option is option B, right? 60 degree or pi by 3. So here pi by 3 is given. Option B is the correct answer. So from next video onwards, I'll be uploading the chapter determinants along with the explanation and exercises. This chapter actually I'll not be including exercise 3.4 because it's deleted for the year 2024. So let's start with the new chapter from next video onwards.